Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find tax delinquent properties in Propwire. So to do that, go to the Propwire website, which is propwire.com, and sign in using your email and password. Then from your dashboard, click search properties, and at the top or the left of the screen, find the lead type drop down menu. Then from the list of the lead type, choose tax delinquent. This will show properties with unpaid property taxes. Then from there, type in the city, the zip code where you want to find tax delinquency properties. Then use the filter like property type, equity, or owner type to narrow down your results. So after that, you can view and save results. So browse the listing, then save or export the ones you are interested in for follow-up or researches. And that's how you can easily find the tax delinquent properties in Propwire. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.